everybody. This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol FWM. Okay, really nice bounce today. This is our last chart, so I wanted to show you this because it has our previous resistance lines are on here. And as you can see on the big breakout day on the 5th, there was a bullish move above EMA's 4 and 8. EMA 4 is the pink line, EMA 8 is the green line. And then also what happened was see there was a gap here between May 2nd and May 3rd, between the low of day on May 2nd and high of day on May 3rd. That gap was filled on the 5th, and then the share price came up and it hit the middle Bollinger Band and broke that level intraday where it ran to the 50-day moving average and pulled back. And as you notice, the close was at the right below the middle Bollinger Band and also at March 26 resistance, high close resistance. So that is the key level to break. Bulls want to see a close above the March 26 closing price, and then they want to see a close above the middle Bollinger Band at 22. That would signal the possible start of a new uptrend. Failed to break the middle Bollinger Band is going to signal downside risk. Also, bulls do not want to see this the top of the gap level, which is where the share price is currently at. They don't want to see that turn into resistance. What happened was there was a gap down on the chart, another gap here between the low of day on the 6th and the high of day on the 9th. And that gap filled today right after the open. The share price ran. It actually filled on relatively light volume, and so now this gap is filled. So there's no unfinished business on the chart. Very similar to the move here. So are we going to see a repeat? Because another day where the share price was up nearly 100% today, is there going to be a repeat with a red candle tomorrow and fail to break the middle Bollinger Band and continuation of this downtrend? Because stocks forming below the middle Bollinger Band are in a downtrend, or is there going to be a close above the middle Bollinger Band and signaling a possible new uptrend with a break to the 50-day moving average? Only time will tell. All we can do is follow the charts. So we're going to be looking at a close above the middle Bollinger Band to signal more upside potential. If you look down here, you'll see there's a nice volume spike, and down here on MACD is starting to bull cross. If you look up here at the 50-day or RSI and Fasto, you have Fastos breaking 50, and then you have RSI at 46. Okay, then let's look at the intraday chart here. If you look at the intraday chart, you'll see yesterday closed with very tight Bollinger Bands. Notice how tight the Bollinger Bands were into the close. This was signaling that a move was imminent, and then the breakout today was to the upside above the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. Candles are riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher. The key on this chart is the middle Bollinger Band at 18. Want to see that level hold. If that level breaks, it's going to signal downside risk, and then it's going to be a big downside risk if the 50, 100, and 200-day moving average does not hold. If candles continue forming above all 4 of these levels, that's going to signal more upside potential, and the key level is going to break is going to be back here on May 5th. You want to see a break here above this 25 resistance, and then a break above 28 should signal more upside potential. Okay, failed to hold on to support, those going to signal downside risk. If you look down here at MACD, MACD is starting a bearish crossover, so that is a red flag. There is a declining volume pattern, so look for a volume spike. Okay, thanks for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.